You know, I know it's a bit weird, but I'm always intrigued by workshop loos because of being a woman in a man's world. Sometimes I'm out and about. What do we find in here? Compact, certainly compact. This is the antithesis to all the bathroom and the tiling programs one might view. Bathroom, seating capacity 1. Let's open the door. This is interesting. There's lots of clues about Cosmo here. The Court of Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers Tea Towel. Look at that. Smart. Let's have a look. Oh, it's not too bad. It's quite clean. Sometimes you go in some of these and they're grimy, but he knew we were coming, so maybe he's had a quick with a new brush. And Norton gives you the guts you want without rattling the guts you've got. Fantastic. Isn't that the best poster ever in the loo? Some reading material. We've got classic motorcycle mechanics, classic bike, good stuff, loo-roll. And every loo needs one. The gas mask. Anyway, obviously, leave the seat up when you've finished.